This powerful eagle is North America's largest bird of prey and the national bird of Mexico. These birds are dark brown, with lighter golden brown plumage on their heads and necks. They are extremely swift and can dive upon their quarry at speeds of more than 150 miles per hour. Adult golden and bald eagles have distinguishing characteristics in their coloring, making it easy to identify the species. Size and description. Bald eagles are large, predatory raptors that are recognizable for their brown body and wings, white head and tail, and hooked yellow beak. Their feet, which are also yellow, are equipped with sharp black talons. Bald eagles grow to about 2.5 to 3 feet in height, and they have an impressive wingspan of 6.5 feet.